Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for March 22nd, 2017. For your Wednesday, a cold front is going to be pushing through very early this morning. So your morning highs, your high temperature for today are going to occur early on. You might even have the temperatures drop off a little bit by a couple degrees. And then most of the day, the daylight hours, many places will be stuck in the 20s. Upper 20s, but 20s nonetheless. So it's going to be a very cold, unseasonably cold day. Very breezy as well. Winds are expected to be generally averaging 12 to 20 miles per hour, but we will have gusts that are going to be higher than that. Here's the gust looking around noon here. Anything in the green here is looking at about 35 miles per hour in gusts. So that is definitely going to make the air temperature feel a lot colder than the already cold air temperatures that are in place. So you'll have wind chills are going to be in the teens and sometimes even single digits on those higher gusts. So just be aware of that today. Make sure you dress appropriately. This will not be a fun day as far as spring is concerned, although we are technically in spring. This is our little setback, and it should only last 2 days, though. Here is a look at this morning, and as we get beyond this point, high pressure is going to move in from our northwest, and that's going to be parked right over top of the area Thursday morning. So Thursday is going to be one of those days where you don't see a cloud in the sky. It's just going to be just dry air, sinking air, very cold. Again, not quite as cold, though, as it was on Wednesday. Actually, it's going to feel a lot warmer because the winds are going to be considerably lower with high pressure being right over top, that you don't have the isobars closely packed together. So it's going to be actually pretty calm on Thursday, and it will feel a lot warmer, and the air temperature will also be warmer by probably get to about 40 degrees or thereabout, within a few degrees of 40 here on Thursday. Moving a little bit forward here from that, we get a warm front moving in from the west, and that's going to come through on Friday morning. The parent system is out here to the west, but we do have warm front moving up to the northeast, and there will be a few showers along that front, generally in the morning, just the morning hours we're looking at, but I think the entire day is mostly cloudy. Might have some breaks in the southern areas of sun very late in the day here on Friday, but once that warm front moves through and presses off to the north, we're going to have a surge of warmth because you have high pressure that is just off the picture here, but there's high pressure sitting right about here, maybe a little bit of south of here. That's going to get these winds coming in from the south-southwest, and you're going to really warm up on Saturday afternoon across the coverage area. Still have that boundary up close to the north here, so it's going to be a very fine line and sharp gradient between 20s and 30s up here and 70 degrees that we're forecasting down in Philadelphia. So it's going to be quite a difference with that temperature gradient and difference in temperatures. Now this frontal is going to start to backdoor here and back down to the southwest, and we're going to get a few showers along that frontal boundary on Sunday morning. You might have a little bit of break then, and then we have more showers coming in, it looks like, on Sunday night that may linger into Monday morning before you get another break, and then you have another system kind of lining up 1, 2, 3 right behind each other here from the Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday time frame. Well, breaks in between each system. But you do have an active pattern here. Nothing overwhelming as far as precipitation is concerned. You're not getting really heavy rain out of any of this. Just more of a light rain or a light nuisance of rain. Here's another one here on Tuesday. Getting over to temperatures now, just to take a look like what we're doing today. This is early this morning. Temperatures will be probably achieved. Your highs are going to be very early on. The front's still right here at this point. But the very next frame we go to this afternoon, look what happens. The temperatures actually drop. And you have some places getting down into near 30 or maybe the upper 20s, and stuck in the 20s, of course, up here in northeastern Pennsylvania. Mid-30s or so down here by Philadelphia in the afternoon. Once we get beyond this and we get into your day here on Thursday, we have a warm up a little bit. We get to about 40 or maybe lower 40s on Thursday. But the big deal is that without the winds, it's going to feel a lot warmer than that. And then we have a surge of warmth coming this weekend that's going to be in association, because of the high pressure sitting out here, like we showed on the previous images, just a surge of warmth coming from the southwest. Now, again, that boundary is very close to northeastern Pennsylvania. You might not get that surge of warmth all the way up to extreme northern parts of Pennsylvania, but I do think your central and southern areas are going to warm up quite nicely. You're going to have mid to upper 60s to near 70 degrees in Philadelphia. That we're forecasting, especially Philadelphia points south and east here are definitely going to get 70 or above into Delaware and parts of South Jersey. So it'll be a very warm day on Saturday, but this is going to be short-lived because you go to the very next day and you have this boundary coming in, kicking in from the southwest, kind of a backdoor cold front. We don't think it's going to be cold enough to produce snow. We will watch this area right here across the far northern counties up by Scranton, Wayne County, Susquehanna, Bradford, Wyoming, Sullivan, places like that. For some possible wintry precip at the start, it would be brief. That's going to go over to rain as this front is going to start moving back to the north as we get through the day on Sunday. Again, the rain is going to linger into Monday, it looks like. Going back to our map here, here's a look at Sunday. Here's the showers with a backdoor front moving down to the southwest. We have another round of rain coming in Sunday night into early Monday morning, and Monday morning should have the showers lingering before it starts to move out and you get a little bit of a break in the afternoon. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for March 22nd, 2017. Have a great Wednesday.